Well, hello there everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video of mine. Once again, this video was streamed live on my Twitch channel, so if you're wanting to catch me playing games live, come join the stream, twitch.tv/Brovric, and in this video we're joined by Toxima, who is a good friend of mine. His link will be in the description. Well, let's get gaming guys, enjoy. Portal 2 together.
Yes. You know how good I am at Portal 2 though?
Nope.
I played Portal 2 way too much as a kid.
Oh gosh. Okay, we have to go up this way, I believe. Yes. And then double jump, there you go. You gotta go over to the side.
Over here.
Oh, never mind, you can do that as well.
I do what I want, motherfucker.
Do what I want.
Rumbling.
Look, it's Rose.
Can we just like shoot her with like a finger pistol?
Pew pew.
Can't hear
Pew
us.
pew pew pew!
Oh no.
Oh, there's Spaghetti-O.
Over there now.
That's gonna be fun, Ghosty. It's your favorite, if it is a favorite part you have.
Who was it?
I don't know. Over here.
Oh god.
I know the way.
Is that a hammer?
I'll take
Oh my-
you
It's
there
a
if
hammerhead.
you help me save my friends.
What friends?
My tool friends. We used to be important and taken care of, but that human locked us up in her toolbox and left.
May's toolbox.
Yes, yes. That heartless woman. Do you know her?
No.
No, he doesn't. Anyway, I heard that heartless woman got a new job in town and doesn't have time for her hobbies anymore.
Who cares about hobbies? Do you know how painful it is to die from rust? It's like burning alive, slowly.
But look, Hammer, there's some rust remover spray in that tool cabinet. We can help save your friends, but only if you can get us to Rose over there.
Okay, it's a deal. Pick me up.
He doesn't look very rusty
Now,
though.
go to that big door over there.
I wanna
Pull that
hammer
nail
him.
out. We're gonna need it.
Okay,
Oh, nope.
here goes.
Whoa! Where'd it go?
Just whistle.
What? Really?
Wow.
Oh my god, bro, you were young.
got a
dude.
flying
As-
nail?
Oh my
Talking hammer?
yes. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, look, it's Lego pieces. Oh, no, those are.
Oh my god, I can't.
Cody.
Oh, it's like a
I don't
gun.
look in my eye.
There's a
Okay,
bent
well don't
nail.
drop that hammer on my toe.
Don't worry, I know how to handle tools.
Oh yeah.
Ow.
Me too.
Last time you used a hammer, you smashed your own thumb.
Oh my god, you actually put me into the ground.
But I'm in charge of the nail now.
Okay, okay. Just be careful.
Smash.
Okay.
Toxima smash. Ooh, what if I can smash this pot?
Oh my god, you
Yes, I
can.
can.
So satisfying.
Smash.
I missed. Okay. So, oh my god, of course. So I gotta figure out where to aim.
So I can smash that to bring that up. And then that goes around, so it must be in that. Is it the yellow things? 'Cause
Maybe.
Mine's yellow, so it must be yellow for yours.
Oh. Oh, I think I know what it. Okay, yep. Do it again.
Yeah, you see what I mean? So,
Oh, okay. Never mind. Okay, I shouldn't
that
recall
holds
it.
in.
That holds it in, yeah.
So you throw it.
And then now we can jump across.
Hey, maybe we can swing off that nail. Steady now.
Timing thing, it's like.
Okay, I can't swing off it, but you can. Okay, good to know. Oh, I probably go up here. Yeah, this is where I go.
Sweet moves. I like your style, man.
Oh,
And then there's one here.
thanks, Hammer.
I had to do it to you. That's karma for last time.
Revenge. That's
Yep.
revenge for smashing you with the thing.
Oh, that's great.
Would have been funny if I actually broke it.
Yeah, it would have been.
Hi, Cody. Okay, yeah.
There you go.
don't worry.
And you missed. I didn't even need to recall it. You just missed. That's amazing.
There's another nail. Let's go get it.
Yoo-hoo! Still over here. Hello. bridge, please.
Here we go. Now, new nail received. We can
Sweet.
nail 2 people
More
at once.
ammunition.
Well,
Maybe maybe not.
this looks like it needs. Okay, so I hit this up and then you can. You gotta make your way over here. Way for you to get over.
There's no bridge up
Ah.
yet.
You know what? There's a thing over here.
Maybe you. There we go. There we go. No, behave.
And then when I hammer these things, you've got to hit the bottom of it because it's a circle below, like the things.
There we go.
Teamwork, it makes the dream work.
Yes. What happens if I shoot my nail? Oh, it doesn't work, damn it. Wait. Okay, you didn't have to break it, okay.
I'm
There we go.
anarchistic with this.
Oh, what now?
There are no relationships without challenge.
The hammer do be new.
What is it with you? Can't you just leave us alone?
When you're willing to face a challenge, you always learn something new.
What, to play
So
like the
remember,
drums?
When you hear this sound, follow it. Keep following it, and you will find the challenge you seek.
I have a good one behind the chicken. But what happens if I don't want to follow the challenges?
Couples challenge.
I don't know.
Win or lose, you must do it together.
Oh my god, it's a challenge.
Yes.
Guess we're gonna have to.
Do we get to jump into the
Wanna give it
box?
a try?
We haven't got time for this.
Oh, you afraid of losing?
Why are we competitive?
No way.
That sounds about
Bring it
right.
on.
Oh, I'm gonna
This is?
bring it.
Whack, Cody.
Okay, so score by staying up if we're getting hit. Oh, okay.
Watch your head, Cody.
Oh, you won't beat me. I'm faster than a mole.
My hammer's faster than that.
You missed. Thinkable.
Oh my gosh.
Too slow.
Damn it.
One more down.
GG.
Too fast for you.
I'll beat you next time.
Oh mate, can I go back in? Let's go.
You wanna play again?
Let's go do it.
Show
Let's
me
do it
your
again.
moves, May. That's it.
Slammed it. There we go.
Oh my god, you know my little where I go. That's great.
Come on.
Ha-ha.
Ow, just my head. Oh, that was a lot closer.
One more hit and I would have won.
Yeah. How many times do we have to do? I don't think we have to do this. Do we have to do?
as many. Don't have
Okay.
to do it.
Oh yeah.
It's optional thing.
That's pretty cool though.
It's just like a little fun mini game,
Oh,
I guess.
the
Yeah.
sweet sounds of machinery. There's nothing better.
Okay, yeah, so it's a minigame. Ghosty just elaborated that it is a minigame.
Oh.
That's pretty fun. Okay, it looks like I have to swing over and then...
Hold on tight.
I was gonna laugh if you missed that first one, to be honest.
There's a thing over here for me to hit.
There's another machine in the way here, Cody.
Oh my god, you can fling me up. There we go.
There is a saw blade out here. Okay.
There we go. which opens this bit up, which lets me do this, and okay, that doesn't. Okay, I can just do this now.
Okay, look, there's a button over here. It requires you to nail.
I'm a good nailer.
And I'm a good hammer.
Yep. Oh, okay. Now we need to time it, I think. So we stop. I need to.
Be careful now, May.
Yeah. Cody, don't screw this up.
Yeah, just get to jumping.
Nope.
Maybe not. Maybe you have to time it. Maybe you.
Let me observe. Keep pressing control instead of
Control,
shift.
yeah.
Because it looks like I have to jump midway through its turn cycle.
Oop.
And I keep doing aspect. Let me move that there.
Oofed.
You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Like that.
I mean, you can get onto the nail.
But I have to time it when the nail gets there, which is when that goes down.
Timing is a bitch.
It's like when it just opens is when I've got to do it. Like that.
Yeah. Okay.
And then I've got to cling to it. Okay. So they go in together and they go out together. This puzzle's not going to defeat me, Ghosty.
Let's hope it doesn't.
I'm figuring out how this time works. What is that?
Unless it's more of something for me to do, maybe? It doesn't look like it.
Trying to look at it. No, right, I think I can get this. It's like... I need to look at the area. Can I ram the hammer into it?
Don't think so. Oh.
Okay, I see it. It's very obvious. You'll need to move across a little bit over more towards where I am. The platforms have a hole in it which you can stop.
Oh, I only just realized that.
You'll want to stop it there. Like just in the middle. About the end.
Oops. I didn't even see that. I should have seen that. That was pretty close. And then you're also...
Because then I've got to go to the next one. It needs to be a little bit closer.
Yeah. And to be pretty much right near the start, like right there. But that's later on. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. Is it not close enough?
No, I didn't jump with my apex.
You just got crushed. There we go.
Now that's where you use it.
Please tell me. Okay, you got a save point. Good.
Fair point.
Nice one.
I think you went a bit too early there, boss. Oh, you got. There we go.
And then...
Oop.
Nope. There we go.
This would have been easier for me if I was up here. It would have been a lot easier.
Probably. So close. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to reach it like that. He's not close to me.
Is that close enough?
That should work. Do it on the opposite side, if you please. So when I'm facing towards where that one is, throw it there. So essentially bring it back, and then as soon as I get to about now, throw it to the other. You see what I mean?
Yeah, I see it. You just gotta get it timed up.
Now.
Fuck. Nah.
You see, I can reach up to about that point.
That point, yeah.
Now that one up.
That's too low. Okay.
Needs to be more towards the middle, because I can then make it. And now I just need to go around.
And get it. There we go.
See?
Okay, so you won't get crushed. Okay, that's, yeah, there we go. There we go.
I was like, oh, no.
How the fuck did I just die? Hi.
You gotta go launch pad.
There we go.
One more nail. Pull it out.
Oh.
Heads up, Cody!
New nail required.
Got it. That makes 3.
And here's a spot I can hit for you.
Oh, okay, yeah. So I gotta actually time it. Right now.
Look at him fly.
There we go. Okay.
Oh, great. Another trust exercise.
What? You think I'm
And
gonna
remove
miss?
the one
I
from
hope
the first
not.
one.
Oh, that's a good point. Remove that one. Probably get that one up.
And then place on...
Nope, that's...
Ah, you know what you gotta do? You gotta place on the lower left one. And then you gotta remove from the right one. Now. And then hit
Okay.
the bottom. So
Bottom one,
remove from
yeah.
the top one there, put it on the bottom one. And then... remove from that one.
Oh shit, I did the wrong one, sorry. I shouldn't have recalled that one. Tell me when you're ready.
Ready.
Oh shit. Damn it. I keep forgetting that if I click E, I recall them. Whoops, okay, there we go.
Right, now you can remove from that
Going.
one. I'm holding the A button. Apologies. Okay, go. Fuck. I boosted.
Close, yeah.
We're
Okay,
close.
there we go.
Alright, I'm ready.
Oh, I have to do. Oh shit! I recall that one. Fuck. I keep saying E and I keep thinking, oh yeah, I need to click
Oh,
E to
fine.
recall it. Damn it. There we go. Going. Alright, right. So I can recall this one. Put that one in. And then this one.
Yeah.
I can recall this one. This one. Recall that one. Recall this one. And now I can recall that one.
You two have pretty good teamwork.
I don't know about that.
There we go. Hi.
Thanks.
Sure.
Thanks, sure. Bang bangs.
There's the toolbox. Both of you, come on. Help me break it open. I don't think it's like that.
Oh boy.
And we're gone.
Look at the two.
My gosh.
Getting away, we have to catch it.
What's mad?
Oh, it's another boss thing, maybe.
Grimy toolbox.
Hang in there, tool buddies. We're coming to save you.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
Toolbox, stop playing hard to catch.
Go, 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 go.
Hey,
Nice one.
you'll never get away with this, you stupid. Oh, hey.
How did I survive and you didn't?
Because I walked into the shadow.
Okay,
And when
I'm still alive somehow. No, I'm not. I'm dead. There we go. Ah! Right in the heart.
ooh, we gotta jump over this stuff.
Getting away. Faster, hey, faster.
Nope, I'm dead.
You're a bit heavy-headed.
Ouch. Oh, I got hit with a fucking thing in my face. Mid-jump. No, 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 no. Fuck. Oh my god, I didn't jump in time. You gotta be kidding me. Son of a bitch.
It's kind of funny.
Why the fucking... Oh my god, I got hit again. Son of a bitch. My timing skills are not very good.
Nails.
Just nail me already. Bro, no, if I get hit by another arrow, I'm gonna get... Not an arrow, fucking... I keep calling them arrows.
Alright, I'm gonna hit here. You gotta.
There we go. Oh my god, there's fucking more of them. And I got
You got nailed.
nailed again.
Okay, I've gotta hit this. I've gotta pin it on the.
There we go. No, I missed. Oh, hi. Go again.
Good one, Cody.
Yep, there we go. Rawr. Oh my god, it's leveling up.
Becoming a mecha?
Yep.
Is this Neon Genesis Evangelion?
Oh, I see what we have to do with his arms, so we can pop this.
You can nail him.
Ouch! We both got bitch slapped. Ah, bye.
Okay, there looks like there's a circle bit in his arm.
Yes, I can, and that's when we nail it to the wall.
Heads up!
Nail it.
Got him, mate!
Good. Now get me to
There you
the
go.
side.
His face like, oh, don't hurt me, please.
You're going down, Toolbox!
He's gonna slap ya. Oh, you've just been Pete's tossed.
I have been flinged. Oh god, he's
No,
pulling something out.
Oh my gosh.
Oh shit. That is really
Toolbox is crazy!
Ouch. No, please don't put it on top of me. There we go.
Hey, what's those nails?
Oh, I'm dead. Ah, damn.
Gonna do it again. Hopefully there were checkpoint at least.
Okay, what? I just fell through the ground. What is this shit? I nailed you! Shit! Fuck! I nailed you instead of the fucking circle. Nail me already, bro.
Arm coming.
Watch out!
There we go. You have a perfect.
Oh my god, that is amazing in mode. Here's Steve. You distracted me with that.
Up. I didn't even recall it was fucking him doing it to himself. Lovely. Watch out for the nails. He's gonna nail us. Or are these screw? No, these are nails. Yeah, definitely nails, not screws. And you coming?
I know I think this is good. Because you'd be hearing me make jerky
Ready now?
Yep.
instead of making tiny bitty nails.
Taste my steel, Toolbox!
Taste my steel, you toolbox. What?
Taste my steel, you toolbox!
That is amazing. Nope, he's pulling out his vibrator.
Grabs out treble. Prepare to be troubled, bitches!
For a second I thought I just said daddy.
Bullshit!
Okay, there we go. That was fucking scary. Nope, hand coming back. There you go.
Hold on tight!
Well, that was a close one.
We're gonna crack you open!
I wonder what he's gonna pull out now.
Nothing for that all.
Oh yeah, good point. Oh, you're being picked. Oh, time event. Nope, never mind. You're just coming backwards.
We
I would've-
total Luigi from Smash Brothers.
Yep. I would have laughed if the hammer fell onto your head. Oh,
Grease.
well, thanks for pulling us closer, bro.
Yeah, but now it looks like I'm gonna have to hit things. Oop. I fell in a hole.
She fell in a hole.
Can we talk about this, Toolbox?
We're long past negotiating, Cody.
Stop targeting me, you smelly toolbox. Oh my god, I would love if I went into that.
Oh, there we go. Get on.
Oh, I missed it. There we go. Oh, we're getting nailed. Oh my gosh, I fell through the hole. Don't die. Oh, he's screwing us over again.
No, he's letting out saws.
He's sawing us.
Up the platform. Oh god.
I'm dead. And you're dead. Oh, we just missed it.
We're running out of real estate here.
I'm running out of real estate.
Real estate. That's something I would say. It's free real estate.
This is our last chance. Comes the big one.
Hop on! Finish off
Come
that
on.
spray can.
I missed again. Don't. Oh my god. It legit hit right where you would have been. I'm good, go. There we go. That was a Expelliarmus. Explosiarmus.
Oh no! We fell down.
Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O.
Hey, look at them.
Oh, wow.
That saw is very floppy.
The nails are giving.
Okay, buy him dinner first.
Said time for the hammer to have a good time.
Yeah.
Oh, I feel brand new. Look at me. I'm whole. I'm whole.
You saved us from that rust and toolbox. Thank you, May. You are a true hero.
I like how none of them are rusty at all.
Hammer.
Hey, what about me? Huh? I was part of this too. Where's my hero love? Did you see that explosion?
Anyway, we still have to get to Rose.
Oh, of course, of course. Sebastian, can you help him out? They have to get to the other side.
I think this guy's a mute. Why is the saw so flappy?
Step on board.
Flexible.
Flexibility.
Come on, it's safe.
Okay. Ooh.
This doesn't feel
Safe
safe.
as
I'm
a
not sure.
fucking
Just
saw can
relax.
be.
Yeah.
Don't worry, he's very precise. Sebastian,
Sling it. That face though. Oh.
Oh no! She's leaving!
Rose,
Lock her
wait.
in.
We need your help.
It's us! Mum and Dad! Don't close the door!
No,
Oh, this guy.
help us out.
Can I just nail him?
Damn it!
Oh, you
Can I just put
stupid
nails
fuck.
in him?
Oh, you've locked us in, you
Hammer
idiot!
him
We're
down.
stuck in here.
Yep.
Stuckness is a mental construct. If you stare at the closed door, you will miss the one that's open.
Okay, FYI, there is only one door in this shed.
And one window.
Good thinking, May. Woo! Let's go to the window. Woo!
Book is out of his mind, okay?